Introducing a new feature found in Assistant Pro. There is now a new update action that allows you to update a library item with the content from the current page or post. Let's head over to my WordPress site and I'll show you how. From the front end of your WordPress site, click on the assistant icon. Next, click on the library icon. Click to connect to Pro to connect to the Assistant Pro cloud. In the next window, enter your login credentials and click Sign In. Locate the library item that you would like to update. In this example, we have a library for our demo site here. And let's go ahead and update the home page. We will need to scroll down and click on the saved home page in the library. Scroll down to Actions, and here you will now see a new Update button. Let's go ahead and click on it to update our saved library item with our current home page. Note that Assistant Pro does not store revisions in the cloud, so this action cannot be reversed. Here you will need to click Update again to proceed, and you will see this notification warning you that this action cannot be undone. Click OK. At the top of the page, you will see the following notification letting you know once your library item has been updated. And lastly, let's hit Preview to take a look at our updated library item. And that's it. To keep watching, go ahead and click on the next video. And of course, if you got any value out of this video, be sure to hit the like button and click to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.